intercom's not working again and anybody can get in? It's time to restore security to your building. Step up to InterQR, the world's smartest, most advanced, and cost-effective intercom that will make your life much safer and more convenient. It's wireless. There's no wiring, no panel at the entrance, and no unit in the apartment. From today, all you need is a keypad at the entrance. The rest is done for you by an app on your smartphone, Android or iPhone. The app lets you benefit from a variety of smart functions, like opening the entrance to the building or the office, from anywhere you choose, even if you're not at home or in the office. A camera that lets you see who's ringing from the building's entrance. The option to send a dedicated one-time link, allowing someone to open the door if you're not available, as well as a variety of solutions designed for the older population. InterQR is the ideal solution for residence committees and offices thanks to rapid installation, low cost, and a 5-year warranty. So, step up yourself to InterQR and enjoy the benefits just like thousands of households in the UK and around the world.